First Samuel 4:12. And there ran a man of Benjamin out of the army, and came to Shiloh the same day, with his clothes rent, and with the earth upon his head. This shows a loss in battle. This shows a big defeat. Running away. Not a good sign. Okay, Exodus 28 through 11. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. We as Christians, our Sabbath is in Jesus, so what we keep holy is meant to be our relationship with Him. You shall labor 6 days and do all your work. This is also saying we need a physical point of rest. But this, we have to understand also as Christians, every day is to be for the Lord. Even if it's a day of rest, let's rest in honoring the Lord. We never rest from being a Christian. We're always a Christian. But the seventh day is a Sabbath day to the Lord your God. You shall not do any work in it, you nor your son, nor your daughter, your manservant, nor your maidservant, nor your cattle, nor your foreigner who is within your gates. The Sabbath day was never changed day-wise. The Sabbath is not Sunday today. That's the Lord's day. That's the day the Lord came back. That's the day we as Christians often choose to worship. But our worship, you see in Acts, yeah, they met then, but I believe they also met every day. It was a community. But our Sabbath is in Him. Our rest is in Jesus. He is the Lord of the Sabbath. Now, for 6 days the Lord made heaven and earth, and the sea, and all that is in them, and rested on the seventh day. Therefore the Lord blessed the Sabbath day and hallowed it. The problem with the Sabbath day is they made it a burden on the people rather than a rest for the people. And oftentimes when we hold to legalism viewpoints, that's exactly what happens, and nobody's resting as they're meant to.